Today we are going to Hawaii. It's me and Auntie Coco's first time.
Yes.
I went there when I was a baby.
Right. So it's now September 14 and it's 4 a.m. It's so early. And these girls are ready. Good job. They woke up so early. Okay, magbihis lang ako. Bihis lang ako eh.
Hi guys. Hi. I got boss tea. Anyway, today is Hawaii Day, so we are gonna do some stuff for today because we don't want to be late for the flight. Okay, so we're first brushing our teeth. Yeah. Okay. We'll see you in the flight. Bye.
Okay, everybody's here. Good morning. Mama.
Hi. Vlog.
Hi, vlog. Tapos ka na kanina.
Oh, hello, Papa.
So sweet like a lemonade. Take time, we can give it a minute, mate. We can do something new, let me innovate. We can take it slow like we iterate. So sweet like a lemonade.
Car number 1.
Hi guys. I am here for gymnastics.
Ayun, dilim. Nasaan yung flashlight? Paalis pa lang. Punong-puno. And we're just gonna... Ah, there's more?
Hello.
Oh my God. May isa pa pala doon. This is how traveling with our family is. Walang light.
The family that overpacks together travels together.
Let's go! We're now here at the airport parking. Wala pa yun sila ate. But first batch is here.
We can do something new, let me innovate. Take it slow like we iterate. Thought I could run away. Your smile made me wanna stay. Come with me, we can make a way. Give me time, let me demonstrate.
Sabi sa amin nung driver nung van na shuttle from the airport, so many luggages! And no tip! Kasi dami nga namin luggage. Ilan ba yung check-in natin? 3. And lahat tayo ay may mga maleta na hand carry. We're just waiting for Dada. Kasi sobrang tagal namin tsaka nagmamadali. Naiwan ni Daddy J yung car seat ni Kaya. So ngayon bumalik pa ulit siya doon. We're now waiting for him. And it's now 5:30. Ang flight namin 6:20. We have time. Okay guys, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm so ready.
Oh, who's ready for Hawaii? Antok na antok.
Well, there's something about the weather when we're out on our own. Something about the path that leads us forever home. We don't need a reason, just changing with the seasons, following the feeling in our souls. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. Well, I can't believe the world's still turning, 'cause we're hopelessly alive. You mean the sunrise.
Aloha! Okay, aloha!
Yeah,
Shaka.
there you go, Shaka.
Chaka!
Shaka.
Chaka yan. Welcome to Hawaii! Ang haba ng biyahe. Ilang hours yung biyahe? 5 hours yung biyahe. And now we're just waiting for our Uber. Nag-rent kami ng car kasi ang dami nga namin. Tsaka kasi si Kaya kailangan pa ng car seat. Pinipick up lang ni ate tsaka ni Jamie yung car. And then we're just here waiting.
And then after dropping off the luggages, we'll have lunch.
The
and then once we have the
local.
room, we'll change.
This is Ninong's
And then we can
hometown.
change.
Then we can finish the TikTok.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
We can finish the TikTok.
They see me rolling. They're hating. Wow, big family car.
How was your trip?
So, sa Maleta pa lang po, puno na ang car rental. Kaya mag-Uber daw kami. This car is only for the baggages. Dapat ganun natin eh. The struggle is real. Big family with a lot of bagahe always.
The struggle is real.
Woohoo! Nagkasya kami, hindi pa na kami mag-Uber. And then, purple! Ano si sasakyan to. Bibili tayong ganito sa Pilipinas. Kailangan natin ng ganitong lalakyan. Okay, hindi na po kami umuwi. Diretso na. Kasi we're all hungry. Kasi ano na, 2 o'clock na almost. 1:30 sa amin. Sa kanila. Okay, amin. Pero here, it's just 11. Local, where are we going? Tour them.
This is Kakaako Farmers Market.
Kakaako. Saan? This
So
one?
we can go on the right side first. Then
everybody is naka-Presco outfit na. Presco outfit. Ano lang kami, change lang kami into a more Presco outfit. Kasi hindi pa ready yung rooms namin. Dalawa swimming na. Ba't daw magmo-mall? Magpapalamig lang sa mall. First agenda in Hawaii. Mag-mall. Kasi nilalagdag pa. Oo, kailangan namin ng energy. So, mag-recharge muna kami sa mall. What's the name of this mall? Ala Moana. Ala! Ala! Hindi na si Moana. Ala! May sinasabi. Ano sinasabi mo? Ano sinasabi mo? Nanguna.
I want the prize, guys!
May itatry lang daw siya. Itatry lang naman daw niya. Kailangan daw niya ng tsinela. So, oo, yan na. I on the prize. Okay, X yung Chanel.
Yeah.
Beer naman daw. White. I go for white.
yep.
Bagay kay Nini ang black. Bagay sa'yo black. Yeah, bagay sa'yo white. So? Epal. Nagpe-pressure kasi wala akong gusto pa. Pero kailangan na yun din ako mabili. Bagay sa inyo yan. Deserve nyo, nagtatabaho kayo palagi kayo. Ikaw, May, anong gusto mo? Hermes? Anong deserve mo?
May-ari dito.
So, they are...
Yeah.
Yeah?
9 over 10.
Okay. Last 9, she's gonna decide. Ito naman talaga yung gusto niya. Let's go. Birthday trip kasi ni ate to. Well, kami talaga ni Nini yung pupunta pero niyaya namin sila kasi birthday nga ni ate. Today is 14, birthday niya in 2 days. Kaya I think she's treating herself. Ang saya dito, walang pakialam yung mga SA. Kahit na nag-vlog ako, tsaka sila lapit ng lapit. Ayan, Nini. Bagay sa'yo, Black.
Kuya, pakuha nga.
Go mga sis. Nature ko kayo. Laban mga Mars. Let me see.
I think, huwag naman ang bilhin.
Wala nga kami pang guys.
Oh wow, yun talaga yung... Kailangan talaga nila yun para sa mga outfit nila.
Mag-dress na ba tonight? Hindi pa naman.
Ako nga walang dress. So I think I need to buy a dress. One eternity later. Belt naman. Basta ang goal makagastos sila today. Kahit anong kailangan
Kahit anong brand.
Oo. Yun daw. Yun ang goal today.
Mabili. Gusto mo yung mabili.
3 o'clock na umaga, gising na kami ha. Pero ganyan yung mga yan. Tingnan nyo naman. Running on 3 hours of sleep. Laban na laban ng mga sis Mars. You want it? Go get it.
I want the prize, guys!
Meow, 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 meow. Welcome to the portal of this world. Congratulations, Nini Coracha. Salamat po sa lahat na nagpapasabay sa Nini Coracha. Sana huwag kayo magsama sa portal. Oh, good beer na daw siya. Cafe.
Hindi cafe lang.
Ay, hindi pa rin po tapos. Parang ito na ata ang desisyon niya. Anong gusto mo? Si Mami ay antok na. Pero wala pa kasi kami room. At dahil expensive na ang taste ni Nini, gusto niya din niya na expensive na kami. I'm so proud of myself. Wala pa akong binibili. Oh wow, yamanin. Wow, so pretty. Kaya, what flavor did you get?
Chocolate and red velvet.
Red velvet?
Excuse me.
Yes. success! Tingin, anong nanalo? Jo. Ah, pati si Daddy J. Masaya ka din, Daddy J. Oh. Ito ng food court. Kuya, ate, ano pinili mo? Ano size? Ano size?
37.
Ano color?
Beach.
Congratulations. Congratulations, guys. I'm so proud of you, sisters. Finally checked in our hotel tour. Para siyang condominium. We have a kitchen. We have a very huge dining and living room. The balcony. Another balcony, but there's no view. And then huge mirror. This is room number 1 with a balcony. Another room, the family room. Wow! Oh, may balcony din sila. And this is where the baby boy will be made. This is the bathroom na pala. Wow! Oh, pwede din dito. Sa bathtub. Oh, ayan na yun. Walang door. Oh my goodness. Walang door. Kapag pumasok kami dyan, ayus-ayusin niyo, ilak niya. Parang pagpasok, good morning! Ito yung isang bathroom, pero dyan pa si Mimi. Sa other bathroom. Ang laki! Pero ito walang bathtub.
There's a bathroom.
Yes! Pwede dito mag-practice ng ano. Salamin! Salamin!
Another flower.
Nasa na ang pag-ibig. Salamin! Salamin! Okay, pagod na ako. Bye. This is the outside of our hotel. Shopping area pa din. Hala, umuulan. So, it is now 6 o'clock and we are gonna go to the beach. Kasi kanina pa nagyayaya mag-beach tong dalawa. Ay kami, shopping kami ng shopping. So, papagbigyan na sila. And we're gonna let them play in the beach. Ooh, there's a hot store. Hot pa naman yung gusto ko. Ala, ba't umulan na? Hindi ako maka-swimming kasi second day ko. Pero mag-swimming pa rin ako. Sa hapon na yun kasi. Pagod na ako. So tomorrow na lang. Pero naiingit ako sa kanila. Look. There's Kaya, Nini, Kuya, and Ken. It's Baba.
Hi, Black.
Go underneath 1, 2, 3.
Cheese. Aloha.
Happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very happy.
Very happy. Oh.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Is your favorite?
Yeah.
Are you gonna swim today, tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day? Are you gonna swim all day?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Hawaii.
What's
Morning, that's the letter. The morning pot. Morning seagull.
morning?
It's the morning Hawaii City. Yay! It's the morning parking lot.
Ang daming energy. Good morning, guys. It's now a Sunday. Grabe, pagod na pagod kami lahat kahapon. Lalo ako kasi second day ko nga. Sayang di ko na-vlog yung night market kagabi kasi bago kami umuwi, bumili na lang kami ng food. Naglakad lang kami. Tapos nakita ni Kuya, sakto sarado yung street. Tapos may night market. Kagabi lang ata yun. Sobrang daming pagkain, sobrang daming tao, tsaka sobrang daming, parang siyang street night market na kahit ata video wala ako or picture sa phone ko. Sobrang pagod ko, sakit na ng ulo ko, tapos pagod na ako, nangihina na ako. Kasi nga diba super puyat kami, tapos meron pa ako. Pero ang saya sana, pero hindi ko na naipakita sa vlog kasi tamad na ako. Bumili na lang kami ng food. And then sarap bumili ng mga anik-anik, tapos mga pasalubong, ganun. Kaso kagabi lang daw yun. Anyway, but when we got home, we just ate yung binili namin. Shower, tapos bagsak na orlogs talaga. Tapos na gumising kami 5:30 kasi mag-jogging, walking, trekking, I don't know. Kaso, 6:30 na, nagising na lahat ng tao, hindi pa kami nakakalis. Ate, ayan o. Ito kami natulog ni Nini sa pull-out na bed. Second day in Hawaii, let's go! Grabe, ang ganda dito. First time kong masasabi sa buong buhay ko, lagi akong pumupunta dito sa US. Gusto ko nang tumira sa US. Only if dito. One day pa lang ako. I really like it here. Ang ganda. Look, it's beach. On my left, shopping. On my right, this is where I belong. Ngayon naiintindihan ko na kung ba't pwede ng condo si Kuya at lumipat dito. Finally, we're gonna have breakfast and coffee. So, this is the best pastries and croissant. Ayon kay Chef McCoy. Close siya bukas, tsaka sa Tuesday. Alis sila sa Tuesday. Kaya, sina ate, pinapunta namin dito. Ako pumunta sila. Excited ako, gutom na ako. Tingnan nyo, ang haba ng pila. Yan. We are back in the hotel. And we're gonna have our... Ayun na sila na kung may kagawa tayo. Hi! Hi! Oh, shush! Oh, shush! Wow! Let me see, let me see. It's so cute! Ay, gusto ko rin naman! Uy, gusto ko din yung wow! Ang ganda! Nag-shopping na agad. Eh, ang aga. Saan niyo binili? Gusto ko din ng ganyan. Show us where is the store we wanna buy also.
We're still in below.
Ha? Tingnan mo naman. Ano yung gamit-gamit mo? Patingin. Wow, Jor! Wow! Ay, ba't di mo sinat yung Jor mong isa? Oh. We're finally gonna go to the beach. Hi, guys! Guys, mag-hi kayo. Ang saya kasi pwedeng dumampot ng mga... Ayan, ako hindi lang ko upuan. Kung ano na lang ang available. Pwedeng dumampot ng mga beach floaties or whatever. May mga wakeboard, snorkel dun sa hotel for the guests para hiramin. Magdadive kami sa isang spot. Pero yung Birag Beach namin kahapon, walking distance lang. Pero may isang area ata kami napupuntahan. Kaya magdadive kami. Where are we?
We are here in Alamoana. We're here in Alamoana Park.
We're going to the beach.
Grabe yung init dito sa Amerika. Masakit sa balat. Pag nasa silong, masarap naman kasi malamig yung simoy ng hangin. Like not malamig pero hindi mainit kaya dyan sa Philippines. Pero pagka nasa ilahan ka talaga ng sun, ang sakit talaga. Parang nakakapaso, ganun. Diba dyan sa Pilipinas nakakapag sunbathing? Dito hindi sis, masakit. Ay! Huwag natrap ako. Look at that tree, it's so nice. Oh, thank you. We found a spot. Sobrang init dun sa, malapit sa tubig. My God. So, dito ang mga hindi mag-swimming. Tapos, pag mag-swimming, tatakbo na lang kami doon. I know. Suot nga pala namin ang aming swimming suit local. Di ba natin mo nagagawa? Nag-TikTok lang kami at photoshoot with our... Pinagawa ko kasi to. Customized swimsuit. So cute. Team Solar, 11:30 na. So, ako mag-swimming ang init. Tignan mo, we're like highlighters.
You just wanna look pretty. Take it easy, baby. You're always groovy to me. We can gather round. We can feel good sound. We can celebrate whatever we want, 'cause I got love when you're near me.
Ang sarap ng buhay.
Yeah, it's okay. Do you a little different? You were born this way, and it shines on and on and on.
Gutom ang synchronized swimmer. Gee, hungry? What are you eating? Service food. Papa, ano yan yummy? We have chicken wings, rice, fruit, okay, and then seaweed. Okay, let's eat. Check, it's 4:50. Ngayon lang kami umalis ng beach. Buong araw kami ito. Sunog na ang mga mari. Ayaw daw niyang matulog. Hindi daw siya pagod. Now we're just gonna get shaved ice before we go to the next spot. Kung saan kami nag-sunset kagabi, malapit lang sa hotel namin. Doon na kami mag-sunset after we get shaved ice here at Wyola Shave Ice. Good morning. You're awake na pa, mag-get down. Good morning. Oh, what do you want?
Cotton candy.
Slow down, you're mine. You're beside me, this is our time. Slow down, you're mine. You're beside me,
We can gather
slow
round.
down, you're mine. You're beside me,
We can take it
slow
sound.
down, you're mine. You're beside me,
We can
slow
celebrate
down, you're mine.
whatever we want, 'cause I got love when you're near me.
Nagpalit lang kami, nagtanggal kami ng mga swimsuit sa hotel. And then, itong dalawang bata ayaw pang magpaawat. So, we're all gonna go back to the beach na malapit dito lang sa hotel. Para doon ulit kami magsa-sunset habang nagsiswimming. Ang dalawang bulinggit. Grabe, buong araw na kami nasa dagat, ha? Pa rin sila sawa. Golden hour. Tahimik ng lahat kasi nag-senda na ng mga picture. And the two baguettes swimming. Oh, may mga binubulong-bulong na naman si Kaya sa atin. Sa likod ko po ay may nangyayaring pinagbabawal na technique.
Dapat rin magdagdag ng mga para na.
Ito po, nagtuturo pa na sasabihin. Bawal kasi ang alak dito sa dagat. Sa lahat ng dagat.
Mababash ka. Tapos tignan mo ang bibig ni Kuya, may nakalagay na. Ano ang bang hindi ba?
Hindi, isang lang naman, bote. Hindi naman tayo magwa-wild. Sige, mamaya A few moments later. Okay, now, meron kaming gagawin na something. Ito lang yung hotel namin. Tapos dito sa baba, shopping. Siyempre, hindi kami nag-shopping today, di ba? So, the last few hours bago magsarado ang mga shops, we're just gonna cheeks.
Pigil pa.
Tigil pa daw siya. We're just gonna check something out. Let's go.
Pigil.
Kailangan everyday kasi na-recharge. Titingin-tingin, ganun. Huh?
I actually saw her.
Hindi excited si Kaya.
I saw her earlier. I said it was.
Hey, go look at the
Oh. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Say Chaka. 1, 2, 3. Chaka. Say Chaka. Kakain pala muna kami bago gumawa ng kababalaghan. We are now here at Waikiki Food Hall. And we're just gonna eat like pika-pika. Parang magsasara na ata. Okay, 30 minutes before closing. Let's go. Ang ganda din ito. Ano tinuturo mo?
Oh God, meron sila.
Ito.
At saka yung yacht.
Sabi niya, kuya, meron sila dito! Confirm na naman. Good morning, guys. It's the next day already. Gabi ako naliligo. And I just want to share that I have been using the new Cream Silk Triple Keratin Serum Conditioner Ultimate Straight the whole time that I'm here in the US kasi yun yung binaon ko. And super game changer siya for me kasi I always shower at night. Para pagising sa umaga, ready to go na. And I really love that this conditioner has 30 times more keratin serum. Dami rin kasi nagtatanong kung ano yung hair care or hair routine ko. Actually, I don't have a really bonggang hair care routine kasi alam niyo naman na 211 pieces lang to. But I have naturally very fine and straight hair. So, really like that this conditioner keeps my fine hair perfectly straight and frizz-free kahit na dami kong ganap buong araw or kahit na bagong gising ako. Plus, ang favorite factor ko sa kanya, compared to other conditioners that I've been using, it doesn't weigh down my hair. Hindi siya flat or limp pagkagising. Hindi siya oily pagkagising. Normally kasi kahit nag-shower ako the night before, pagising ko, oily na agad yung anit ko. But this one fits my lifestyle kasi gabi nga ako nagliligo. No oiliness in the morning. It's just smooth, lightweight hair that lasts all day. For the past 5 weeks that I'm here in the US, I have been using the Cream Silk Triple Keratin Serum Conditioner Ultimate Straight, powered by 30 times keratin serum, and it's just giving me ultimately perfect straight hair and long-lasting frizz-free smoothness without the hair weight or oiliness. Ngayon na nandito ako sa Hawaii, na-test ko talaga siya and na-push ko yung limit ng conditioner na to because I have been under the sun the whole day, surfing, walking around the city, shopping, and talagang tutok na tutok sa araw, babad sa salt water. It really takes care of my hair even under the heat and the humidity of the city. So, favorite ko siyang ginagamit lately. My sisters, my mom, mga pamangkin ko, yun din ang ginagamit nilang lahat. Because this new formulation is just really a game changer, especially for our type of hair. At least ito, kahit pa paano may buhay yung hair namin, kahit na super tipis lang niya. Personally, I have been using Cream Silk conditioners, not just me, like me and my whole family, mommy ko, lahat kami, users talaga kami ng Cream Silk ever since. I think household staple naman siya. Pero mas gusto ko and mas na-appreciate ko itong new formulation kasi mas na-maintain niya na frizz-free yung hair ko the whole day. Kasi usually kapag gagabi or pahapon na naging oily na siya, wala na siyang buhay, ganyan. This one just stays really straight and frizz-free even after all of the ganaps for the whole day. Usually kasi pag pahapon na, tinatali ko na yung hair ko. But while I was here, I enjoy having my hair down. And I think the Cream Silk Triple Keratin Conditioner Ultimate Straight really helped with that. So if you have the same hair type as mine, then you might want to try the new Cream Silk Triple Keratin Serum Conditioner Ultimate Straight infused with 30 times keratin serum for ultimately perfect straight hair. Experience hair perfection like never before at the Lazada Carafest sale. Shop the new Cream Silk Triple Keratin Conditioners online. Let's go explore Hawaii again. Morning, guys! Today is Monday, September 16. Happy birthday, Ate Karen! Yung sa kapatid namin dyan. Hey! Time check, 7:11. We are on our way to get coffee for everybody. Kaso tulog pa sila. So, kung sino magising, edi swerte, may kape sila. Pero kaming dalawa, we are ready.
Now we're Kabaru.
Oh yeah. Ninakaw ko kaya Ate Coco. Thank you. Thank you, Kuloset. Kuloset's luggage. Modela. Modela, thank you. We're here at Din and DeLuca kasi gusto ding itry ni ate. First, ano pala to? Medyo bago-bago pala dito sa States yung Din and DeLuca kaya hindi pa nila masyadong kilala ni ate or hindi pa nila na-try. So, since birthday niya, kung pinapanood mo to, papatayin namin sa'yo. We got the goods. On our way back to the hotel. Mabigat na. Week naman. Pero pag shopping, ang daming ka mabibit-bet. Ako, talaga. Diyan na. Happy birthday! Asama. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Nasaan na ba? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Wala namang cake. Kumakata lang kami. Walang cake. Makaumasa ka. So, the agenda of the day is, tinanong namin siya anong gusto niya gawin for her birthday. Bukod sa mag-shopping. Gusto naman niya mag-beach. So, mag-beach kami ngayong morning. And then, have lunch. And buy konting pasalubong. And then, pupunta kami sa Chanel dahil may gusto si ate i-check the bag. And then, go home to get ready for our dinner reservation at 5 p.m. Na sana ay ma-achieve namin kasi anong petsa na, nandito pa din kami. Also, it's a gloomy day today, pero parang makalabas naman yung sun. So, we have a lot of floaties available right now. Kasi nga gloomy. Pwede ka kasing kumuha dito. Susoli mo lang sa resort. Kahapon wala na kami masyado naabutan kasi tanghali na kami. Ngayon, mag-gloomy kasi wala masyado nagbi-beach. So, madami pa. So, mag-dive ulit kami going to same beach, pero ibang spot naman. Doon kami tatambay. Right, Kaya? Where are we going?
To the beach again!
The beach again!
Magic beach!
Magic beach?
Or Magic Island.
Tapos naka-ano sila, crash guard kasi mga sunog na kami lahat. Bye! Bye! Enjoy, guys!
You wake me up right on time. The summer day gave us life. Top down sunshine, it's a beautiful thing. You wake me up right on time. The summer day gave us life. Top down sunshine, it's a beautiful thing. Yeah, we cooling in the back with the drinks, making us a little bit tipsy, baby. Yeah, I just know. Baby, I just know.
I learned Lamoy Asa.
Lamoy? Lamoy asa. Okay, do the Lamoy asa. Go! How's the Lamoy asa?
How do you do it? You just sit in the water?
No, you swim under the water. Water?
Oh, ano ba yan? Gusto ko sa'yo mabida pero gusto nung mag-boat.
I get to how to dive in. Can somebody hold this? Get ready, guys.
Ready, guys? Oh, you're gonna take them when you dive? Okay. Just
Go
wait.
loud.
If you see any fishes, comment down below. Comment down below. Look at me.
Bring them to underwater world.
Yeah. Let's go.
Hi guys! Ate nga pala namin. Ate namin yan. Ate Small. Ate bashing. Just for fun. Ililipad yung lashes ko.
And I know that you had me on your mind with the look on your face, turn a little bit frisky. Oh, oh, oh. Baby, I just know. You wake me up right on time. The summer day gave us life.
Originally, alis dapat kami for lunch, but walang gustong umalis. So, we just bought Hawaiian BBQ. Ate's birthday lunch. Okay, finally out of the beach. And we are here at Lynn's Hawaiian Spa. Mamimili ng mga basalibang. Ang saya naman dito. Oh, shoot! Oh my God. Oh, ang cute! Hello, ito itong bilihin. Hi. So cute. Hi! Malubong siya. Kanya, welcome! Oh, ang cute!
Top down sunshine, it's a beautiful thing. I got my toes in the sand. I got my hands in your hair. There's not a care, nobody.
Yes po, opo. Kahit sa snack lumalabas na maraming bit-bit. Walang makakalampas. Kailangan excess. Team excess baggage. So it's now 5 o'clock and we're gonna have early dinner for Ate's birthday kasi hinahabol namin yung happy hour. Kasi pag happy hour ata, may oyster bar happy hour. Mahilig si Ate sa oyster. 4 to 6 ata yung happy hour ng oyster. O, diba? Naka-outfit kaming lahat for today's video. Kasi nga, birthday ni Ate. O, pakasakit ng mga balat namin lahat. Anyway, kaya kami naunang tatlo nga pala kasi galing kami sa Rolex kasi hinabol namin yung SA ni Kuya. Hanggang 5 lang yung shift niya. I wanted to try something and si Kuya may gusto siyang i-try. Tapos nag-hope ako na merong stock ng gusto ko for my first ever Rolex. Kasi ayokong pumasok ng Rolex store alone kasi na-intimidate ako. So parang if I'm gonna buy someday, I will buy second-hand market or reseller kasi ayokong mag-attempt na pumasok sa store and bumili. Eh si Kuya, maganda yung relationship niya sa SA niya dito sa Hawaii. Tsaka ang dami niya nang nakuha dito. Kaya pinakilala niya ako. And I was kind of hoping na may mabibili ako or makaka-jackpot ka sa sold out daw. At least nakapag-try on ako and I already know what I want, the size that I want. So, that's a good start. Anyway, wala pa rin sina Ate and it's 5 o'clock so let's go inside.
I never cared much for the traffic in Midtown, so I moved down south, I don't know where you are now. It's getting exhausting, trying to imagine settling down when it's already happened. A piece of my heart is stuck in Manhattan.
Ang pamilyang marupok, we are gonna go to Chanel because bibili daw si Ate ulit ng birthday gift for herself. Dito na nag-unboxing kasi ang mga mari. Make sure you don't make a mess, okay? Bagay sa'yo sis, deserve. Okay, let's check shoes. Hi! Huh? This one. Go, Nini. Opening the portal of Karupukan. Ang cute, oh. Yeah, that's cute. May sakit ata ako kasi ilang araw na kami pumapasok sa mga ganito. Walang nagsispark. I don't know why. Anyway, asaya dito. Pwede mag-vlog. Kanina niya pa ako titigan. Hindi ako napapagalitan. Pamilya ko nagkakalat dito. Ano sinabi mo?
I want the prize, guys!
Happy birthday to you.
Ayaw mo yung mas masaya.
My eyes are
Birthday to you. Saya ka? O nagsisisi ka?
I don't know. Mamaya, pag nawala na yung ano, pag nahimasmasan ako.
Pag na-check mo na yung bank account.
Oh my God.
Deserve? Do you think deserve mo yan, sis? Deserve?
Sa next, credit card statement,
Kasi naman nag-cocktails bago mag-shopping.
Sabi niya para daw malakas yung
Mag-remowa na tayo, let's go. Bago pa mawala
Ngayon, excess baggage siya. So, kailangan niya bumili ng extra bag. So, okay, time check. 10:45. Ay, hindi pa pala tapos din. Umuwi na kami, nag-impake na kami. Tapos nagmukbang ako. Oh, yeah, nag-ABC kami. Anyway, to end this vlog and to end Ate's birthday. Ang lamig dito. Ba't ang lamig dito? So, to end her, we will comment down below how we'll end her. Happy birthday to